government has issued a contagious disease warning for the following areas: Kentucky, Tennessee, Alabama, Mississippi, Georgia, Arkansas, Louisiana, and Florida. There have been tens of thousands of reports that people were becoming sick, and it was like the flu, but also Ebola. 1,400 people have also become completely under control of this virus. It is clear that once someone has been completely taken over, the person is declared dead. They will roam around to find people and infect them. This has also been reported in other nations such as China, Philippines, and France. Get as many supplies as possible and stay indoors. You have the right to use lethal force to kill any infected that enters your home, or if someone in your house gets infected. Stay together.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Republic of Florida. Due to the fall of the United States nearly 2 years ago, our people have finally decided to unite as one. We now are an independent nation. New laws will follow. Visit www.nflorida.gov for further information. Thank you.